Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and customize post-processing effects to make your game or cinematic project look amazing. Let's dive in. First, we need to add a post-process volume. Go to the Place Actors panel, search for post-process volume, and drag it into your scene. This volume applies post-processing effects within its bounds, but we'll make it apply to the whole scene in the next step. By default, the post-process volume affects only the area within its box. To apply it globally, select the post-process volume, go to the Details panel, and check the Infinite Extent, Unbound option. Now, post-processing effects will apply to the entire scene. Let's add 2-point lights to the scene. Now let's tweak some key settings. Open the post-process volume settings and explore these options. Bloom adds a soft glow to bright areas, perfect for cinematic lighting. Exposure controls brightness and auto exposure levels. And that's it. By enabling and tweaking post-processing in Unreal Engine 5.5, you can take your visuals to the next level. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon for more exclusive content. See you in the next video.